Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. A little update on my plants for the 2020 grow season. Out to my left here you can see in the red solo cups my peppers. I just transplanted them today. They were still in the little flats, so I gave them some space and put them in solo cups. This guy is doing well, but he needs to perk up, so that'll happen the next day or two. In the center here are the cherry tomatoes. They're doing okay. I need to trim them up and get them in some nutritious soil. I need to just give them some CalMag. They are definitely ready for some vitamins. Next two solo cups are the same thing, just my peppers. Put them in there today. That one on the right there isn't too healthy. I don't know if he got a little bit dry, hard to tell. Hopefully he'll perk back up. Over here on the end is my, what are those? Oh, those are just some random peppers. Those are like the Brandywines. My mixed peppers, not mixed peppers. They're my tomatoes. The Brandywine tomatoes, and there was a couple other varieties. So that's what's in there. So that's what's still downstairs. Let's go upstairs and see what I have up there. Okay, up here in the office, under the grow lights, are all the rest of the tomatoes. All transplanted into little 3-inch pots. All coming along quite well. Some are showing some nutrient deficiencies, which I need to get handled here. So CalMag is what I need to give them. But they're all looking good. I'm hoping next week we can plant. It's supposed to be in the 60s and 70s next week. So we might be able to plant, but we'll see. So these are all looking real nice. Healthy plants. Alright, just a little update. Hey, thanks for watching.